What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. JT Wheels here, and we're off to see the wizard. No, we're not. Right, we're off today to Wilton, near Salisbury, to look at the Wilton wake up, where all the supercars, exotic supercars, stuff like that go in there. So that should be a good little morning. So the morning meet is from 8 AM to 11. You've already missed it if you're watching this now, but I'm leaving a little bit late. It's actually 9:30 now, and I live about 45 minutes away from there, so probably missed a little bit of it. But the best bit of it is when they leave, because they start ragging it out of the gate, which is pretty cool. Hopefully they won't stack it, or if they do, I'll have it on camera. But yeah, so stay tuned guys, that's what's going to happen in this video. Hopefully get some good clips of some nice cars, sounds, etc. for you guys. So see you in the next clip. Didn't really manage to get that much footage of the cars coming out of the show. As I was sort of stuck in traffic, I could see them all leaving when I was stuck at the traffic lights. Didn't have time to film them. By the time I'd parked up, they'd all sort of left, so yeah, it's pretty rubbish, but I hope you enjoyed the clips that I did manage to get. Next time I'll have to leave a little bit earlier. I accidentally slept in past the alarm, and obviously it's like a 45-minute drive, so but anyway, enough of the excuses. Right guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. As always, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Please like the video, it helps the channel grow. And, excuse my sarcasm, please get your questions in, because I really do want to answer them. and see what sort of stuff you're going to be coming up with. Hopefully it's not too sarcastic. Yeah, get your questions in, and then the next video can be like some sort of Q&A like all the YouTubers do. We'll try it out, see what happens, and then yeah, we'll take it from there, guys. Have an amazing weekend, because it's Wednesday, so it's nowhere near the weekend, but it will be soon. Catch you in a bit.